Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Sheet view only. So here I've already opened my Google Sheets and I want to share this file to my friend, but I'm going to make the file view only so that the my colleagues or my friends cannot edit this file. So here's what you're gonna do. So first click on share button at the top. So actually, I've already add my friend as the the editor, and if you want to make it a view only, you can just click on this options right here, this drop down, so you can change their role from editor to viewer only or to view only like this. And then after that, you can click on save like this, and then when they open the file they can only view, not edit the file. Or you can also add another another person here who will be have access into the file. Click on this and then change their role as viewer and then click on send after that. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So if you think so, click on the thanks below, click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye!